So this is an Xbox controller, and we've been throwing it around because it broke over here originally, and we threw it about 10 times in the air over here on the concrete, and we're gonna just film what happens next. On the ground, on the ground.
Slam it?
Slam it.
Already done.
Oh my god, I missed that. You did it where I couldn't see it.
Oh.
Let's go see it. Well, we found a button.
Yay.
Oh, this is the Xbox button. Where'd it go?
I don't know. Oh, there it is.
There it
Hello,
is.
friend.
Get it, Joe. Okay. Oh. And after the impact, this is what it looks like. You know, there's no little button.
I think it would work.
Yeah, might work, and you know, you gotta just send it to Microsoft and pay about $80 and wait 3 months just so they can repair it.
Yeah, it's a total MOG controller.
Ah, it's sick. Alright, let's start one more time.
Alright, throw it.
Right here.
Down. Look at the ground.
Good luck, sir.
Right here, right here.
May the force be with you.
Oh, there it is.
Nice.
Let's examine what we have done now. As you see, this beautiful faceplate is now nice.
Over here, we have the good and glory back of it. Oh, well, as you see, the Asians have done a very nice job of making our little controller.
And look, it even says the title Microsoft right there.
Microsoft, kiss our ass. X button. Alright, Joe, we gotta pick up all this stuff. Alright, YouTube. So this is the end result. Love you, Xbox.